Hello, and welcome to the German Schmear Specialist channel. I'm excited to have you here. Today we are offering a promotion for our German Schmear services along the east coast of the United States. A little bit about who I am. My name is Thomas. I'm the owner, founder, and chief operator of German Schmear Specialist. We are the nation's leading, most trusted, experienced nationwide German Schmear contractor. We were founded in the year 2019, and we got 5-star reviews across the board to back up our claims. You can find all those on our House profile, which are vetted and verified by House before they even get published, so you know that they're legitimate. So the promotion that we have running right now is our winter promotion, and we are trying to fill up our schedule with a few more slots of projects before the winter sets in. This is running, like I said, across the entire eastern coast. So if you're in New York, New Jersey, Virginia, West Virginia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, or Florida, this promotion will apply to you. What we are currently doing is we are waiving all of our travel fees, and we are waiving our job minimums for any projects within those states. We only got a couple slots left before the winter does set in, with the exception of fireplaces. If you have an interior job you want done, please take advantage of the discounts we have running with the wage fees and the wage minimums, and we'd be happy to help you out to transform your fireplace on the inside. Along with us offering that discount of the waive travel fees and everything, you can mention this video ad to get an additional 10% off your projects. And I know you're thinking, oh, they're just going to raise the price by 10%. Give us 10% and we're really not saving anything. But to show the integrity that we follow within our company, you can mention this ad discount at any point in the process. So if we've already sent you that quote and you mention this ad, we'll honor that 10%. Just to recap, this discount is included for all of the states on the eastern coast. So take advantage of this discount while we have it going. Those slots are limited because it's only running until the winter fully sets in. So we got 1, maybe 3 slots available that we could fit in there, with the exception of fireplaces. If you have a smaller project, this is the perfect time to reach out to a company that's been vetted and specializes in this craft, because we are waiving all the travel fees and the minimums that we usually have. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. So if you follow the link that's included in this post, it'll bring you to our website where you can put a form submission in easily, and one of our specialists will reach out to you within 24 hours, and we'll have a quote to you typically within those 24 hours. Could take up to 48. But thank you for stopping by. Be sure to like and follow our channel for more promotions, pictures, videos, inspiration, everything in between, and have a great day.